Hold on to your ketchup, folks, because here's a number that might just make your jaw drop. McDonald's sells over 7.5 million pounds of French fries every single day. Yes, you heard that right, every single day. That's right, every 24 hours, enough potatoes to fill up several Olympic-sized swimming pools are transformed into those iconic golden sticks we all know and love. Imagine the sheer volume of potatoes being processed daily to meet this demand. Now that's a whole heap of spuds. It's almost mind-boggling to think about the logistics involved. This staggering number speaks volumes about the widespread appeal of McDonald's fries. From kids to adults, everyone seems to love them. They're not just a side dish, they're a cultural phenomenon. These fries have become a staple in fast food culture worldwide. But achieving this level of potato prowess is no easy feat. It requires a well-oiled machine of farmers, factory workers, and chefs, working in harmony to deliver that perfect fry every time. McDonald's fries are more than just fried potatoes. They're a symbol of fast food culture and a staple in the American diet. They're practically an American institution, representing the convenience and indulgence of fast food. They're the perfect accompaniment to a Big Mac or a Quarter Pounder, enhancing the overall meal experience. They're the ideal snack for a quick bite or a late-night craving, offering comfort and satisfaction. But what is it about these fries that makes them so universally adored? Is it the nostalgia they evoke, reminding us of childhood trips to McDonald's? Is it the crispy exterior and fluffy interior that creates a perfect texture contrast? Or maybe it's the irresistible salty flavor that keeps us coming back for more, bite after bite. Whatever the reason, there's no denying that McDonald's fries hold a special place in our hearts and stomachs, making them a true cultural icon. Maintaining such high standards across thousands of restaurants worldwide is a monumental task. Think about it. Every single fry from Bangor, Maine to Bangkok, Thailand, needs to have that same signature crunch and flavor. That's a whole lot of pressure to deliver a consistent product day in and day out. McDonald's achieves this impressive feat through a combination of factors, from rigorous supplier standards to carefully calibrated cooking equipment. That's right, they're serious about their fries. Section 4. The making of a McDonald's fry, a step-by-step journey. The journey of a McDonald's fry begins, unsurprisingly, with a potato. These potatoes are carefully grown and harvested by dedicated farmers who ensure they meet the highest standards. Not just any potato will do, though. Each potato is meticulously inspected by hand to ensure it meets McDonald's stringent quality requirements. McDonald's has strict criteria for the spuds that will become their fries. Only the best potatoes make the cut, passing through rigorous quality control processes. They need to be a specific variety, like the Russet Burbank, known for its high starch content. This variety is chosen for its ability to produce fries with the perfect texture. The potatoes are then washed, peeled, and cut into those familiar fry shapes using automated machinery. This ensures uniformity and consistency in every batch. After a quick rinse to remove excess starch, the fries take a dip in a hot oil bath, not once but twice. This double frying process is crucial for achieving the perfect fry. This double frying method is key to achieving that crispy exterior and fluffy interior. The first fry cooks the potato through, while the second fry gives it that golden, crispy finish. Finally, they're seasoned with McDonald's secret blend of salt and other spices. This final touch ensures that every fry is bursting with flavor, ready to be enjoyed by customers around the world. Section 5. The secrets in the soak, a little-known fact. Here's a little-known fact that might surprise you. McDonald's fries get a little help in the flavor department from a rather unusual ingredient: beef flavoring. Before the fries hit the fryer, they're actually blanched in a solution that contains a hint of beef extract. Don't worry, vegetarians. The amount is very small and undetectable to most palates. But this clever trick adds a subtle savory depth to the fries that enhances their overall flavor profile. Section 6. The perfect crunch, unlocking the flavor and texture. So what is it about McDonald's fries that makes them so irresistibly delicious? It's a combination of factors, really. The double frying method creates that perfect, crispy exterior and fluffy interior. The careful selection of potatoes ensures a consistently satisfying texture. And the secret ingredient, that hint of beef flavoring, adds an extra layer of savory depth that keeps us coming back for more. Section 7. Fry fanatics unite. Share your love for the Golden Arches. What are your most memorable McDonald's fry experiences? Head over to our comments section and share your stories. And be sure to check out our other food-related content for more delicious insights and behind-the-scenes peeks into the world of your favorite foods.